Hi there, today we're covering how to calculate the area of a triangle using the altitude. The altitude of a triangle makes a right angle with the base, and therefore can be used to calculate the area of a triangle using the formula shown here. To do this, you'll need to be familiar with how to graph an altitude, as well as the length of a line segment formula shown here. I'll quickly summarize how to graph the altitude using vertex B in the triangle below. The first thing we do is calculate the slope of line segment AC and use this to determine the slope of altitude B. The next thing we do is use these slopes to determine the equations for AC and altitude B. And finally, we just determine where these two line segments intersect. With this information, we now just need to determine the length of line segment AC and the length of altitude B to determine the base and height of our triangle respectively. To do this, we use the length of a line segment formula, sub in our endpoints, and we can determine these dimensions. Now we simply suck this into the area of a triangle equation, and we can determine the area of the triangle is approximately 22.1 units. In this example, we use altitude B to determine the area of the triangle. However, the same can be done with either of the other altitudes.